If you have 3 potatoes at home, then separate them, because in just 3 minutes, we will make this delicious treat for an afternoon snack or breakfast. There's no way to resist. Let's start our recipe by cooking 3 medium potatoes. Here they are all well cooked. Then, transfer to another container. Now remove all the skin. Once this is done, we will knead it very well. Okay, now let's add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Also add 5 spoons of wheat flour. Mix for the ingredients to integrate. Now let's knead our dough with our hands, and that's the point. Here it is already perfect. Then on a board with plastic wrap, we will grease it with a little oil. Now take a portion of the dough and let's shape our snacks. Spread the dough like this. Now let's add grated cheese. Here you can use the filling of your choice. Ground beef, shredded chicken. Then you will close it like this as you see in the video. And look, it will stay like this. Here it is, already perfect. Now just take it to fry in hot oil. Let it fry on one side, then turn it over and let it fry on the other. And our savory snack is ready. Look how beautiful they turned out. Now just remove it and add it to a plate with paper towel. Wait for it to cool, and you can serve it. And look how perfect they turned out. I'm going to open one, and your mouth will water. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. Which rating you give to this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll stay here. A big hug, and until